So Shakil, once again, now it's time to create the user model and save the data in the database, as we are getting the data in the backend. Okay, so create the user model. What we need to do, in the server folder we need to create a folder and name it model and give it a name user.js. Okay, so in this user folder let's create the schema. Okay, const schema equal to mongoose. Okay, then what we need, const user schema equal to mongoose. So as we are using mongoose, what we need to import the mongoose from mongoose. Okay, so import mongoose from mongoose. Okay, so const user is schema equal to new schema and give it a name and type string. Okay, and trim true, so any unnecessary white space will be removed. True. Okay, then required true, that means we are forcing users to give the name, otherwise he cannot pass through the process, you cannot leave it empty. So it's comma. Okay, so then what we need the email, so we can copy it, as it will be almost same. So name type email, trim true, required true, and we can give another field uniqueness. We can check the uniqueness. Okay, unique true. Unique means we will not allow two email in the same name. Okay, so then what we can do, we can give it a password. Okay, its name should be email, its name should be password. Okay, password string required true. We can define the minimum maximum character, mean 8, max, no, uniqueness is not true, no need, and max equal to 60. Okay, any number you can give. Okay, so what we need, we can take the user picture as a profile. So picture type string, we can give it a default value, no need, if we wish we can give. Okay, then we need the user role, this is very important. So role type string array, then what we need, default string PS Code automatically import something. Have string default. What we can give it subscriber. Okay, so every user who register, you will considered as a subscriber. And enum. So what the enum means what other values we are expecting. So it should be subscriber, it could be instructor, instructor, it could be admin, it could be super admin, so without that these things any other things will not be allowed. So instructor subscriber, give it a subscriber, instructor, admin, super admin. Okay, this is the role. And another thing we need is the payment gateway. When we will integrate, we will do that. And we need timestamp automatically. Timestamp should be true. Okay. So timestamp true. Okay, so what we need finally, we have to export default mongoose model. So give it a name, user model, and user schema. Second parameter, user schema. So we are done with our model. Okay, today we are finishing up to that place, and next video from the next video, as our model is ready, so we will be able to save our data to the database directly. Okay, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Please stay connected, and see you soon.